a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves. Gonna make a quick video here. Doug Lane over at Adopted Acres has a new release coming out today, guys. Be released at 12 noon Eastern time, and is a collaboration with Tennessee Whiskey Shaving, also known as Westley Carroll. Check out his channel. I have a link to his channel below. Also, he has a live with Rabbit Shaves every other Wednesday, Wednesday after Shave Masters, called the Open Comb Collective. So check that out as well. It's a good show. But the new release, you've seen it around most likely, is Still House Spice. And man, I really love the labels they got going on over at Adopted Acres. I do, of course, have the splash as well. A little bit about it. Adopted Acres and Tennessee Whiskey, Westley Carroll, Still House Spice. This isn't just another Old Spice inspired scent, guys. It is a tribute to the classic Shulton Old Spice, blended with rich whiskey notes to create something that feels both timeless and completely its own. Warm spices, smooth whiskey, and classic barbershop nostalgia. It just works. Oh, and it does smell amazing. I just got this in yesterday. I have not used it yet. Let's go over the hardware real quick. For the razor, I realized I have not used this on a face shave yet. And I did get a new handle in, but I'm using the RazorRock Smile Plus. You've seen me talk about how this is my #1 favorite head shaver because of this concave head there. But it does also have a regular straight bar side, and I'm going to try that. And I'm going to try the concave on my neck. I think might work out. Possibly if I was shaving my chin, I think it'd be wonderful for the chin too. But so I'm using that, and I added the new, this is their new titanium super knurl. Great price for a titanium handle. I got it in recently, and I'm using it on the razor now. Has a really great knurling on it. For the brush, I am using my, let me get some of that water out, Vortex X from Philip Sharp that I purchased with the Vortex X shaving system. Bowl, brush, stand, and tub dryer. I have it set, I believe this is a Frank Shaving Manchurian Select Silver Tip that I put in it, 26 millimeter. I've got that soaking in some water here, and that is the brush I'm using. So let's get the brush loaded and get this shave going. I'm only going to do one, maybe two passes because I need to shoot a Blizzard Battles yesterday, and believe it or not, but that paper razor, I really hardly have anything left to shave. This is the day after making that video, literally 24 hours after, and I still hardly have anything. That razor shaved me so well. I can't believe it. It's nuts. So let's get this brush loaded. Yeah, I'm not going to keep talking about it, but I could keep talking about that paper razor. If you were able to get your hands on a pack, they're dirt cheap, of course, because they're paper. Man, try it out. It is worth the experience, in my opinion. That should be plenty for just a pass or two. Probably way more than I needed. Immediate lather with Adopted Acres. Oh, and that, man, hydrating it is just really bringing out that fragrance. I might have to get an EDT of this one. We will see. Alright, perfect. Let's get this set over here. Glasses off and the face wet. Now, if I don't grow anything before wanting to shoot Blizzard Battles tomorrow, I may have to wait till Sunday, which means I'll release it on Monday. But we will see. I'm going to try real hard to get it out for Sunday. Oh man, this smells so good. Oh, it has such a good whiskey note. It's really mellow. It's not like super boozy, like in your face boozy, which there are times where I don't mind that. Alright, we're just gonna smooth and even this paste out, and then we're gonna start adding some water. There we go. Beautiful. Let's get a little more. Oh, this lather is so good. Super thirsty. Oh, that's beautiful. The more I'm working this lather, the more this fragrance is just enveloping me and making me very, very, very happy. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. Perfect. So good. All right. Let's get this out of the way. Put it there, it's going to fall, so I'm going to set it over here. And the razor wet. And let's try this razor out for the first time on the face. I don't think, not to my knowledge, I can't remember if I've used it on the face yet. And I can even feel I hardly have anything to shave. Literally, that paper razor shaved me so good. This will probably be just a one pass. I'm going to try that concave side. Seems to be working just fine. Works very well on my head because, as you can see, I've got a pretty bulbously round noodle here, but does seem to work fine on the face. So I'm getting more of the whiskey right now. The nice, sweet, mellow, boozy note, and a little bit of the spice. That concave side does feel very good right there. Going across my neck and the Adam's apple. Alright, I have to do another pass, but I am not going to have anything to shave tomorrow. I can tell you that right now. But I want to spend a little bit more time with Stillhouse Spice. This is smelling fantastic and making me very happy. Beautiful. All right. Ooh, so on the jawline, that does feel great with that concave. So I'm using just the concave side on this pass, except for when I was doing my bottom lip there. Just out of curiosity. There's like no feedback because there's nothing to shave. That's crazy. Paper razor, guys, who knew? All right, I'm gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash, and my final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Oh, it's a fantastic shave. Look at that, my shirts hardly got anything on it. I did good this time. All right. Get myself a little situated here. Oh man, my whiskers are going everywhere. All right. Now, time for the magic. I literally just opened the bag this was in, so I have not even primed that spray. There we go. And some in the hand. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Okay. There's my friend Old Spice. Wasn't coming out as much in the soap for me. But it is definitely here, and he is right, man. Adding that whiskey. And like I said, that whiskey is very mellow, very smooth. And it's like it's always belonged there. To me, it's not boozy. It's just like a fragrance note that should have always been there with Old Spice. Oh, that is so good. Wow. Wow, guys. Outstanding job, Doug, Kara, and Westley. That is Stillhouse Spice, guys. Releases today. This Saturday, today on August 1st at 12 noon Eastern Time. Should be Central, which would be 1, but 12 noon Eastern Time. Check it out if you're interested. I don't know if they're going to have the half pint sets or not. Probably. I know he's trying to get more of those going if you want to try it out in a smaller size first. But yeah, check it out. Also check out Tennessee Whiskey Shaving. I'll have a link to his channel down below. Also check out Tennessee Whiskey and Rabbit Shaves on the Open Comb Collective. Right? Open Comb Collective. So many show names, it's hard for me to remember them all. On every other Wednesday. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what